So Ashley and I found an abandoned property. At least we think it's abandoned. So we're going to take a little investigation here to see what we can find, which Ashley is really daring. This looks like it was broken into.
Yeah, it looks like people came here and had fun or something.
Ugh.
Look at that.
Would you just look at that?
We should bring air to all these places that are like empty.
You just gotta be careful because I don't know what the floors are like.
Look, there's a freaking sewing machine in there.
Look at that electrical
This
box.
is giving me like a creepy vibe, isn't it?
Look at how old school that is in that corner.
I swear to God, if something touches me, I'm gonna flip.
There's like a drug rug over there. It looks like
Yeah,
one.
'cause people probably come in here and smoke pot and drink. That's not a drug rug. It's a blanket.
It looks like a blanket with pot on it.
Yeah, this is my new house. I'm just letting you know.
Well, honey, I'm glad you've held yourself
There's
with
legit like a freaking.
high expectations.
I don't know, but I feel like there's gonna be animals in there.
Yeah, I wouldn't open anything.
What the heck? There's a hole.
That's for a dryer, I think.
Look at everything here. It's so like.
It's like somebody lived here and just abandoned their stuff.
Yeah, and then somebody brought a red Solo cup for a party.
Yeah, that's
It's
true.
so much fun to have a party here.
No, that's not the point. This is the point that we're investigating.
Oh my God, did you come back here?
No, not yet. I was with you.
Damn.
There's a glass vase.
I wonder if there was a fire. Because you see how everything's like singed?
Let me skip by you. Look at all this stuff. There's Vicks Vapor Rub, and there's like children's clothes
Be careful
everywhere.
over here because the floor's really wet. Like,
Yeah.
it's not wet, but it's like, there's pills. Reglan? Do you know what that is? Metocloramide?
I don't remember what Reglan's for. There's like cut up clothes.
I seriously wonder what happened here.
I know, right? Isn't it so interesting to wonder? What's that paper?
Hallway, TV cabinet, homemade table, kitchen 6-chair, dining room set, backyard wash pot. It was like an old person that lived here, I think. 'Cause that looks like old person writing. Look, there's a bathroom. Just be careful over here.
Yeah, I don't want to go over there because it clearly looks like it's indenting.
Oh my God. There's more than a bathroom. There's another room.
Is there?
The bathroom here, and there's another room there.
There's a door over here that probably leads to over there.
It's a closet.
This is weird. You want to go outside and look at that barn in the back?
Wait. What do you think this leads to?
Probably what's on the other side of that bathroom.
Should I open it?
Dun 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 dun. If you want to.
There's a phone book. I haven't seen one of those in so freaking long. There's 2 rooms in here.
Yeah, it looks like it. I'm just afraid to like touch anything.
Wouldn't it be funny if we get out and there's cops by your car?
That would suck. I wonder if it's like a living room over on that side
It's not
because
like they can
there's
do
no.
anything.
If you look at it, there's no living room. There's a big crawl space up there.
Do you want to finish opening?
Do you want me to?
I'm scared.
All right. Why?
I don't know.
I am too now that you said it.
Oh, it's just a living room.
Oh, okay. And the front door.
There's a TV. Dude, it literally looks like somebody went freaking crazy in here and just left.
Yeah, it does.
You think it's haunted? Look, this is literally reclined back. Like somebody was chilling.
What is that red thing on the floor? Is
A
it
vase. National Geographic. Just chilling on the floor.
It's like, it's so great. These abandoned houses are so weird when it's almost like someone just.
Oh yeah, this is the room that I saw. What is up with these people on pillows? Damn. Nanny New. That was her name. Nanny New.
Oh, lovely.
Look at all this shit she had. She was like... What is
Natural herb.
that? A condom?
No. This is your life. That's creepy. Oh, look.
What is it?
I'm trying to focus on it.
Medical records?
He was born south of Mason-Dixon line.
There's literally a freaking... Look, the thing that you pee in hospitals over here.
This is somebody's life story.
Local, Marin gets 20 years in sex case. Look, there's a freaking newspaper. I'm trying to see what year it's from. 1991.
Dude, this is somebody's life story right here.
October 4th, 1991. This is when this paper's from.
This house must have been abandoned for a long freaking time.
The little Bible.
There's wood in here. Like, I bet you somebody was burning wood in that fireplace trying to keep it warm.
Look at this freaking... I wonder if somebody just, like, trashed it. Like, people just kept coming in and trying to trash it.
I mean, it's evident, though, that, like, this was somebody's stuff. There's Vapor Rub everywhere in here.
Yeah, this place is old. Look at that can of, like... There's, like, mouthwash. The whole bottle's yellow. Like, it's been
I know,
sitting.
look at that.
Like,
Suave.
everything's old. Like, really old.
What's the date on this? Oh, there's nothing even on there that's readable.
What is this? Tincture myrtholate?
I don't know. Look at, there's a whole bunch of stuff in the bathroom over there.
That's what I just said. See that freaking...
Dude, we should probably bounce out of here in case there's like a homeless person living up in this piece. Just in case.
Could you imagine?
There's cigarette butts in here.
Yeah, I'm telling you, Mom. When there's abandoned places, like, look at this.
I just don't want to be up in somebody's business, you know what I'm saying? Like if they've been living in here and...
Look at this.
Oh,
I kind of want to take this.
you want to take it?
It's crazy looking.
I bet you there's shit attached to it.
Shit?
Like spirits, maybe. Want to take it with you?
Not if there's spirits attached to it.
I really don't know if there is. I mean, there could be. Aaron always finds really interesting stuff to see what's
This
attached
thing
to
is
it.
really cool looking, though.
I think you should take it with you. It is really cool. Why not? Come on.
There's spiders in it, though.
Well, we can clean it out when we get home. Let's take a look at that barn in the back.
Could you imagine if somebody just walked up to us in here?
And they're like, hey, you're in my abandoned home here.
I don't know who the hell would want to live in here.
Ooh.
It's creepy as shit.
Well, I think it's just because it's old. Let's take a look back here.
I mean, is it really feeling?
If it's abandoned, I don't know.
I have flip-flops on.
Oh. I can video over here and you can look. Oh yeah, I didn't think about snakes. I don't think about those
it
things.
every time I walk in the grass.
Because we don't really have a lot of snakes up north. I don't think about them very often.
There's another abandoned house right next to it, too.
I know.
There's a shed.
It's really kind of cool to walk
God
in.
grant me the serenity to accept things I cannot
Change.
the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. Is this a Catholic thing?
It's actually a serenity prayer for people that are like, I think AA and NA.
Seriously?
Uh-huh.
Could you
Hence the
imagine?
Bud Light bottle on the ground. Oh, there's like bugs mating in the air. Look at all those jars over there.
I'm gonna bring Chris here, and we're gonna come here and like check it out. I think I'm gonna bring him here after school tomorrow.
Do you want to walk over to that other house?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Like evil spirits.
Well, Aaron always says that we have more control over them than they do us, so.
Cause like, what if we bring it into our house and we regret it or something?
Then we just pray it away and tell it to leave.
Okay. I really hope there's no snakes. I really am worried about problems.
I keep forgetting about the damn snakes.
Oh my god.
I love these purple flowers. I so badly wish I knew what they were.
You're taking a long ass video.
Yeah.
This house does not look too abandoned though, because the lawn is really well kept.
It is actually. Well, not really. You look at the front. The front's pretty rough. Look at these
Do you
flowers.
think it's open?
I don't know. Just look at those. Would you just look at that? What kind of flowers are those?
Hibiscus.
They are?
No.
Oh.
Really? No.
I don't know. You sounded so confident. Let's look at this shed.
I never sound confident in anything I say. I'm always kidding.
You're sarcastic, and I believe you. After 18 years, I still don't know when you're telling the truth and when you're not.
Barely ever serious. Hot and fresh out of the kitchen. We're gonna get like tips and shit.
Probably.
Oh my gosh, look, there's a little crawl space in the house.
Yeah. How? You know what? You go through that crawl space with all the wolf spiders under there. Little shed. Little stroller. Leftover sassy pants. Ugh.
It's so dark, my flashlight won't even like go in there. I don't even see anything. If this is a horror movie, stuff would be happening.
Oh, here's just an abandoned room. Nothing too exciting. Spider webs.
Do you want me to show you that FFA camp in Swampsboro? It's way cooler.
Yeah, but we can't go there during the day?
I mean, we could.
Does it say no trespassing?
It says private property. But
Oh.
I went there.
This house doesn't look like there's anything in it.
There's a bunch of loud people. And it was fun.
All right, this is Ashlee and Kelly wrapping up these abandoned houses.
Wait, let me see.
We're just gonna check the door. Even though it doesn't look like there's anything inside.
It's open.
Oh no.
You want to go in?
Yeah.
Oh my god, do you see it opening? Just like open.
From the wind. Look at
Yeah.
all the spiders. It doesn't look that exciting. There doesn't look to be much inside. Ew.
It just needs some work.
Yeah. The floors could be refinished.
Everything could be replaced.
I like the stuff where there's actually things to find inside.
Oh my god.
What?
No.
What?
There's like a hole in the floor.
What?
In the back. And there's an open door in the back. Look at this hole.
Holy shit, this house is not habitable.
No, this hole right here.
Ooh.
Do you see it? I wonder if
Yeah.
somebody fell through it when they were walking.
I don't know.
Like they were trying to go up the back or something and fell through. I don't know, this house is falling apart.
Yeah, it is. Let's get out of here.
There's
It's
probably freaking black mold and shit in there that we're breathing in as we speak.
All right, say goodbye. Let's wrap this shit up.
Oh, but there's more.
Oh. Well, hopefully we won't fall through the floor.
No, there's really nothing in here.
Yeah. All right.
Was was like, I feel like there probably is mold of some sort in there.
Hold this door for me. Thank you. All right, let's wrap it up. You got my keys, right, Boo?
I dropped them down the floor.
All right, Ashley's walking away. Say goodbye.